Alright, so you're probably wondering, what am I doing with this rotor? I'm doing what's called deglazing the rotor. I'm basically sanding with my die grinder, or air die grinder, with a coarse sanding pad on it, or scuff pad. And I'm basically scuffing the area where the brake pad actually runs on, or squeezes onto the rotor to slow you down. Now what deglazing does is, it takes that coating off the rotor. If you look at the old rotor, I haven't touched this one yet, you can see it's got like a shiny film to it here. So that takes that coating off of that. So the new pad has a nice, clean surface. You just want to do that every time you put new pads on. Some people will do it once a year. While it's on the bike, you don't have to take the bike apart to do this. You can take a green scratch pad, fold it on here, and you just spin the wheel with some soapy water or brake clean, and it'll just clean all that glazing stuff off of there from the organic pads or whatever you got for brakes. The biggest benefit is you get better stopping power with your brake pads. Another thing is, when you do brakes, you want to use a dial indicator to measure your rotor. Make sure it's the correct thickness. Some people use dial rulers. Depending on the tips on those rulers, you might be able to measure this correctly. You might not be able to. Because some of them, they like flat and it'll just hit the edge of this, and you'll measure this outside lip here, which is where the brake pad does not hit. That's why if you look at your rotor, the outside tip of this rotor is thicker than the inside where the pad hits. What you want to measure is the inside area. All right, I don't have a dial indicator to show you. You're going to find that if you do measure your rotors, chances are they're in great shape. You're not going to have to replace them. But that's all I have. So when you do your brake pads, make sure you deglaze your rotors. Whether you do it by hand, with sandpaper, you can even use a green Scotch pad to scuff them up a little bit, get that glaze off. Or you can use a drill with a sanding disc, makes quick work of it. I like to take them off the rims. Just makes it easier for me to work with the sander on this thing. I don't know, it's just simpler. It's a little bit more work. You got to take 5 bolts off, but I don't find it to be that bad. I do this every time I do new pads. Once a season, I'll hit it with the Scotch brake pad and just quickly clean off the glaze. All right, all, I hope this video was helpful. Please consider subscribing. Please share the videos and throw me some likes if you can. If you enjoy the video, you like the information or the help, please like the videos and share them. Thank you all. I appreciate you being here with me today. Bye-bye.